All right, everyone, I'm here at the Microsoft Ready Conference in Las Vegas with Greg Vigil. Greg, you want to tell us a bit about your role here at Microsoft?
Sure, I'm on the manufacturing industry team, so I focus on helping our largest manufacturing companies digitally transform their business.
Awesome. So what are manufacturing companies looking for in terms of leadership from a technology business?
So today, Industry 4.0 is the topic that's top of mind for everyone. Anybody that's in manufacturing is focused on how do we take that next level of transformation and apply it to our business. And so we're spending a lot of time with customers on things like artificial intelligence, cognitive services to help them get back to double-digit productivity gains in their operations. The other conversation that's top of mind is transforming their products. Every company is becoming a software company. So when you think about smart thermostats or smart products, I think we'll continue to see that. So we help those leading manufacturers apply those technologies in their business and really make those leaps into spaces they never played before.
That's awesome. So every customer is becoming a software company. So what is the Industry 4.0? What is that?
So Industry 4.0, when you look back over the history of manufacturing, kind of the first revolution was power and the ability to use steam power to make things. You then moved into Industry 2.0, which was kind of the Henry Ford days of creating assembly lines. Industry 3.0 is referred to as kind of that 70s, 80s move where you started to have robotics, large computers inside of companies. So Industry 4.0 is this move to mobile and cloud. So companies leveraging products like Azure to transform their business. So it's a hot topic if you read any leading publication from McKinsey, Avanade, Accenture, those type of companies. Industry 4.0 is the top of mind topic.
Great, awesome. So just one more question, since it's like 110 degrees out here and we're roasting. So what should our customers, what's the key takeaway from last year's learnings as Microsoft really over-indexed with AI and data science and cloud computing? What's like the biggest takeaway that customers should know about from last year?
Start small, think big, go fast. So again, you kind of got to get some repetitions under your belt. So I think that's the biggest thing with companies. A lot of companies are talking about it and thinking about it. Those that are seeing the rapid gains and out maneuvering their competitors are the ones that are just getting started with it. So that's
Great.
what we focus on. How can we quickly get something into pilot, prove that it's going to work, and then expand it from there.
And either fail fast or fail forward, or you succeed.
Both. I think
yeah.
There's some failures, and from those come learnings, right? And then that's how you can iterate and really see the improvements in the next iteration of what you do.
That's amazing. Hey, thanks a lot, Greg. Really appreciate it, man.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.